Mailjet email marketing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. All product links are available in the description below. Mailjet is an email marketing platform known for its robust features, seamless integrations, and flexibility. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, offering tools that cater to both marketing teams and developers. One of the standout features of Mailjet is its advanced email automation, which allows you to create personalized email sequences triggered by specific customer actions. Whether it's welcoming new subscribers, sending abandoned cart reminders, or offering product recommendations, Mailjet's automation helps you nurture leads and improve customer retention. Mailjet also excels in its email design and editing tools. Its drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and it comes with a wide variety of pre-built templates, making it easy for even non-designers to create professional-looking emails. Additionally, Mailjet provides real-time collaborative tools, allowing teams to work together on campaigns without stepping on each other's toes. For more advanced users, Mailjet offers a powerful API and SMTP relay services, making it a top choice for developers looking to send transactional emails or integrate email marketing into their custom applications. The platform's segmentation capabilities allow you to group subscribers based on their behavior, location, and other factors, ensuring that your emails are targeted and effective. One of Mailjet's weaknesses is that its reporting and analytics, while useful, can feel a bit basic compared to some competitors like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign. Users may want more in-depth reporting to better analyze campaign performance. Another downside is that the free plan is somewhat limited in terms of features, and pricing can get expensive as your list grows or if you require more advanced capabilities. In conclusion, Mailjet is a versatile and reliable email marketing tool suitable for businesses looking for both simplicity and flexibility. Its strengths lie in its easy-to-use design features, powerful automation, and developer-friendly options. While its analytics and pricing may not be ideal for everyone, it remains a strong contender for businesses looking to streamline their email marketing efforts.